Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Nicole and I typically like to do fashion DIYs, but in today's video, I am at Value Village, my favorite store, and I am here to thrift and take you along with me and hopefully find myself a couple new projects to work on because I feel like my bank of project ideas are at zero right now. So I need some new inspiration, and that is what I'm hoping to find today. So let's go. Okay, so as soon as I walked in, I stumbled upon this beauty. I've been looking for something that I can transform into a jewelry cabinet, and this might be perfect. And not bad for only $20. I've been propagating plants lately and want to give some away, but before I do that, I need to repot them. And I'm looking to give one to my mom, so I'm looking for a pot for her. And I like this stone-esque one. And my love for wicker basket continues. I will hold on to this little trio for now. I have this thing for yellow glass lately, which is why I love this yellow glass ashtray. It also matches my bong. One of my favorite sections at the thrift store is the book section, and I typically look for anything fashion or sewing related. I found a couple interesting books, but nothing worth putting in the cart. Now moving on to the clothing section. My main goal is to find something for an upcoming project. I was looking for something colorful, maybe with texture, basically anything that speaks to me. This red tank is actually pretty cute, and now that I'm reviewing the footage, I regret not picking it up, but oh well. Of course, this is a shirt you'd find in a Toronto Value Village. Why do you have green? Okay, I moved on to the dress section, and this stunning thing caught my eye. But I didn't like the fabric amount to price ratio. But then I stumbled upon this beautiful blue dress. An area my wardrobe is really lacking in is shorts. I don't really like a lot of shorts, so I'm constantly on the hunt for something that I do like. Going through the short section really reminded me of how these teeny little jean cutoffs used to be in style and how I would actually wear something like this. Anyone else? There was also a time I wished all my clothing had studs or spikes in it, so this is funny to me. These shorts have some potential. Not sure how these pleats are gonna fit, but we will see. Wow, Jeffrey Campbell Lolitas, and these are in pretty good condition too. Does anyone think these might come back in style one day? A lot of shoe options, but really nothing standing out to me, unfortunately. Then I did a little scope in the bag section to see if anything caught my eye, but nope, not today. So I saved my favorite section for last, the little boy section, which is where I found these Stone Cannon jeans. No idea the significance of this brand, but these jeans look to be in great condition. And they also look like they might fit. Since I was in the back corner of the store, I took this opportunity to try these shorts on, and I was really torn on these shorts because I like the way they fit on the waist, but the pleats just added some unnecessary bulk, I guess you could say. It's just not as flattering as I wanted, so I'm going to be leaving these behind. And here's a better look at the dress I found. It's so long and there's so much fabric. And I've also decided to leave these baskets behind. Okay, so I'm sorry if you can hear my car running in the back. It's way too hot in here not to turn it on and to get that AC pumping. But I just finished my little trip to the thrift, and honestly, I didn't really find a whole lot. I was really close to buying that little mirrored vanity thing that I really wanted to turn into like a little jewelry organizer, but when I was about to cash out, I kind of just started thinking about it a little more and realized that it's very big and clunky, and the way it opens, it just doesn't like fit with like where I would put it. And although I am still on the hunt for like a way to organize my jewelry better, I just think that item wasn't it. And I'm trying to be really select about the things I pick up from the thrift store because I don't want to just accumulate stuff that I don't actually use or wear. So I've been trying to be like very strict about the things I bought. So I got that blue dress, I bought that pair of little boy jeans that are like super cool and high-waisted and vintage, and hopefully they fit. And I picked up that ashtray because it matches this other glassware that I also have in my living room, so I thought that'd be like a kind of cool accent piece. And what else did I get? Oh, I got that flower pot just so I can repot a plant that I'm going to be giving my mother. And what else? Oh, I got one very last spur of the moment item, and I'm gonna show you what it is, which was this gumball bracelet. I actually, in like my adolescent days, I was obsessed with these beads, and I would buy 2 or 3 and I would make them into like chokers or like these necklaces, and they were like these big bubblegum necklaces, and I would wear them all the time. I had one in every single color. I made sure, like, I searched high and low to find these beads to make them. I was really obsessed with them for a time. So when I saw this hanging there, I just like really wanted it and I needed to have it. Unfortunately, I do think I went through a phase where I threw all those necklaces out. So a little piece of nostalgia for me with this. So, and it's red, so I couldn't say no. That is it for today's video. Not the most successful trip to the thrift, but nonetheless, it was still fun and I got a few things. So I'm going to assume that my next video is going to be featuring that blue dress. I'm thinking of doing some sort of like 2-piece set, maybe even like a 3-piece set. I can maybe do like 2 different top variations and a skirt. That's kind of like what my brain is thinking of right now, but stay tuned to find out, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye.